All right, so we've been talking about stages that lead to formation of a baby, that's a fetus. So we're talking about all those fertilization, assisted reproduction, technologies, all of that. Spoken about how an egg and sperm will come and fertilize each other. So we are quickly moving to the next concept, which is known as blastocyst. Blastocyst is just another stage. After there's fertilization, the embryo starts dividing. All right, one cell becomes two cells become three, and like that. So for the blastocyst, it's just a key stage in early embryonic development. Typically, you have a blastocyst 5 to 6 days after fertilization. Okay, after the egg and the sperm came together, after 5 to 6 days, what is happening there is what? A blastocyst. So it's a hollow ball of cells. All right, so it marks the transition from a simple cluster of cells, that's morula, to a more complex structure which is ready for implantation into the uterus. Okay, what's the structure of the blastocyst? The inner cell mass, right, becomes the embryo itself. This is the inner cell mass. It's known as what? Embryoblast. Okay, then the outer cell mass is a trophoblast. Right, the blastocoel is what? The fluid-filled cavity that helps shape, so this is a cavity. Everything here that is empty is a what? Blastocoel. And that's structure. So these are the stages. Okay, these are just trying to look at the timeline again. Day 1 to 3 is just a morula. Day 5 to 6 is a blastocyst. Day 6 to 9, the blastocyst hatches, just like the egg is hatching in a chicken. Okay, so these are another. You can look at the structure. Now look at the stages on this side. Okay, look at the stages there. So role in pregnancy. All right, so the blastocyst is the one that actually implants. So it attaches to the uterine lining, initiate pregnancy. Stem cells. All right, so it's basically the source of embryonic stem cells. All right, that can be used in research and therapy. In vitro fertilization. So if they want to do any implantation, and there should be high potential of that implantation giving birth to a baby, they usually allow it to reach the blastocyst stage. So clinical relevance is failed implantation, sometimes miscarriage, in vitro fertilization, failure, all right, and all of that. Ectopic pregnancies too. Okay, so that does it for the embryos, the blastocyst stage of embryo development.